What's good, what's good? It's your boy Mac and I'm back, and today we about to react to Overhaul versus Deku. A lot of people have been commenting. Yes, I read your comments, and yes, you will see me heart it, like it, and all that good stuff, so I appreciate your comments. But yeah, y'all wanted me to watch it, so let's get it. Ooh. Whoever made this video definitely started off tough by showing us Night Eye getting stabbed. God damn.
Let me see it. A future in which the boys escape and take Eri to safety. Let me see it!
Honestly, having that quirk gotta suck. But if you watch Attack on Titan, that's pretty much the power that a certain character has.
But I can still move. Overhaul! 20%!
Give up. I've already told you how this ends. You're all going to die.
You're wrong. I won't let that happen. Even if it's already been decided. Even if it's set in stone. I'll smash that future!
This is why you gotta love Deku. The man's never gives up, whether he's quirkless or not. This dude tends to keep going. And can we just give him credit, because this dude's doing outstanding with his quirk, because every time I see the electricity, I just get Super Saiyan vibes every time.
One strike to the head! Manchester!
Ooh.
He dodged. Maybe what he said is true. Maybe you think you don't want my help. But I won't let you down, Eri.
Can you just imagine all the scars that Deku has all over his body? Like, we saw his arm, it's all scarred up. But I mean, this dude, one thing I like about the show is when you get hurt, you stay hurt. Like in most cases, like, you gotta watch out, because most of the wounds and shit is like permanent. Like Aizawa, he can't open his eyes for too long when he uses his quirk. Like stuff like that, like, it's crazy.
I'm not letting anyone die. I'm going to save you.
Abity, look!
Oof. All messed up.
Take care of him. Go on.
Straight did Eri dirty. I swear, he don't care if he hurts her in any way. He just flung her up. Like, how do you do that to a little girl, bruh? I mean, I get that you're a villain, but you're a villain. Ugh.
Filthy hero screwed everything up.
I ain't gonna lie. Music like this makes you want to cry, bruh. Oh, my heart.
This time, I will save her.
Please save her.
I failed before. Eri! I can't dodge while in midair.
And one thing I keep noticing, the villains just get more OP every time. Like, I get they gotta one-up each other, but like, remember the early fights? Muscular, like, crazy how like this dude touches you and you could just blow up and die. Like, that's some crazy shit.
I won't let go. I will win. I will save people.
Now let's all give a shout out to Super Saiyan 2, 3, whatever Deku Super Saiyan form this is. Looking fire as hell.
A naive little boy like you doesn't know how to use her. It's up to me to cure humanity.
Yo, that might be my favorite kick, hands down. Like, man, just the way he just yeet.
Why doesn't anybody see the big picture? I'm going to tear down this entire world.
Yo, let's be real. In this scene specifically, if you look back in season 3, remember that meat quirk that Bakugo fought, the dude that could turn you into a freaking meatball? That's all I thought when I saw this. Seriously, like, it's the same color tone and everything.
Destroy its very foundation.
Myself, a hero who saves everybody.
Animation, man, so damn clutch. And this is a JoJo reference, right? Ooh. Oh my god, the animation is so clutch. And can we take the time to say, if it wasn't Deku fighting, who can possibly be him? Bakugo? I doubt it. Todoroki? I doubt it. Like, if they could, they'd be severely hurt, but I don't know. Like, I really wish I could see Bakugo versus Overhaul. Like, that would strangely be a great fight, right?
That's who I'm gonna be.
Wow.
This is new. A different set of events. Does that mean that the future can be changed? Even if it's already been decided. Even if it's set in stone. I'll smash that future!
Man, I love Deku, especially in that. That was hands down one of my favorite fights. Like, seriously, that's just it. That was the video, and yeah, that's just that Super Saiyan look. I just love it on him. The electricity. Oh man. Now, anyways, question of the day: what is your favorite Deku fight? Comment down below. Anyways, that's the video. If you want me to watch any more other fights, just comment what you want me to watch, whether it's My Hero or any other show. And that's it. We out. Y'all have a good one.